Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the range spark module on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because your surface burners are not igniting. For this repair, we'll be using a putty knife, a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and 2 pairs of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. So your range spark module is what causes your oven to make this sound when you turn the knobs. However, if your stove isn't making that noise, or if it is making that clicking noise, but your burners are not igniting, this could be a possible reason for you to change your range spark module. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So to take our gas line off, I'm going to use 1 pair of channel locks, and I want to hold on to this part right here, and I'm going to use our other pair of channel locks in order to grab the line, and I'm going to twist both of them in opposite directions. That way we're not spinning endlessly while we're trying to loosen it. Now I've got that loose, I can undo it by hand the rest of the way. So the next thing we're going to do is remove the grates from the top of the stove, as well as the burners and the burner caps. And now I have to remove all the burner screws from the stovetop. Now that I've got all the screws off, I'm going to be using a putty knife, sticking it in the side right here. There's going to be a little clip. Push it in on it, and lift up on the stovetop. We're going to find that clip, push in, and lift up. Lift up the back so it goes over the tabs, and then you can remove it just like that. So our range spark module is going to be underneath this guard here. So the next thing we're going to do is remove this guard. And we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver again to take out these 2 screws. Now that we've got that unscrewed, we can set off the guard to the side. Now you can more clearly see our range spark module. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to detach all the wires. And now that all the wires are detached, we can unscrew the module. And now we can remove our old module. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement spark module. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Now we're going to put our new spark module into the old one's place. We're going to line up the holes and screw it down. And now that we've got this screwed down, we can plug all the wires back in. Now we'll put this plate back into place. So now we're going to set the range top back down, and I'm going to make sure that I get this lip on the back on top of these tabs right here. And once I do that, just make sure it's nice and flush against the back and push it down so it clips in. So now what I'm going to do, because these aren't completely lined up, I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers, and I'm going to just grab a small piece wherever I can, line up the holes, and screw it back in. Now that that's all screwed down, I can put our burners and burner caps back into place. So now we're going to reconnect our stove to the gas line. There we go. Tighten it the rest of the way with our channel locks. There we go. In case your adapter is spinning inside, you might want to get another pair of channel locks just to hold that in place. And then you can tighten it the rest of the way. There we go. And now we can turn our gas back on. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.